Hi everyone. We're going to start basics of vectors. A vector is a quantity specified by magnitude and direction. You have to have both magnitude and direction, and that would be something like velocity. A scalar is a quantity specified by magnitude only, and that would be, so scalar goes with something like speed. So for example, 65 miles per hour due north is a vector known as velocity, and the 65 miles per hour is a scalar known as speed. When you describe a vector, you must give both the magnitude and direction, and that's the part we're going to do in this short video. So basically, I did a compass thing here, and we got north, south, east, and west, and I have my 30 degrees drawn, and my 5 meters is the direction. Okay, or that's the length. So what we're going to do is talk about magnitude. So that's going to be 5 meters. And then you're going to write at 30 degrees. Now we're talking about direction. 30 degrees, and it's on the east side. So we're going to say south of east. So when it's on the inside, when it's touching, the angle's touching the east, and then we're on the south side of it here. We're on the south side, so you're going to say south of east. That's your direction. Magnitude, direction. And we described a vector. Okay, on this one, I have 5 meters. And this is at, now we're going to talk about the direction, 30 degrees. Now this is on the south part. So we're going to write east of south. East of south. You can't read this, the other ones I have are a little better. So basically, the main one you say last. Our main one is the south, but we're at the east of south, not west of south. Okay, so in the quadrant, it's where the angle is, the measurement of the angle to that axis. Okay, so let's do a few more. We're going to go a little quicker. So here we have, we want to state the direction and the magnitude, or the magnitude and the direction. The magnitude is 11 meters at, now the direction. Since this angle is, you can go to the y-axis here on the north part, and it's in quadrant 2, we're going to say west of north. Again, this is the main one. And then you're just saying where it is. Is it the west of north or the east of north? That's basically, so it's in quadrant 2, it's the west of north. If it was in quadrant 1, it'd be east of north. Okay, here's one. This one is touching actually the x-axis here. So we're going to say it's 7 meters at 25 degrees. And so west is our main one, so we're going to say it last. It's south of west. So it's south of west as opposed to north of west. Okay. Here we have one. This would be 12 meters. I'm going to write north last, and it's east of north. So no, we're not. We're at north of east. So since we can draw the angle and touch the east side here, and we're looking at the degrees here, we say 65 degrees north of east, as opposed to south of east, because we're on this side in quadrant 1. All right, now the angle is here. So when we touch it, the south is our main one, and it's going to be east of south. So the magnitude is 25 meters at 70 degrees east of south. And I have two more. Here's my angle. I'm touching the south, so he's going to go last. Since we're in quadrant 3, it's going to be west of south, not east of south. So our magnitude is 14 meters. Our direction is 55 degrees west of south. And one more. It's getting easier, right? Okay, so here's where our angle is. So our main pole here is the north. So our magnitude is 23 meters at 37 degrees. It's touching the north, but it's east of north. So it's east of north. Okay? The next video we're going to do is add vectors graphically. And I hope you all have a nice day.